Uh, Today we are going to see that zero card form website. Uh, what does it? So if you have to create a reactive form, so a reactive form is one of the like main feature of the Angular. So with the help of reactive form, you can create a forms like login form, registration form, or something. So uh, this website is like made by me. Here you can see, right? So the main aim of this website is you can create a reactive form with no code, right? So that's why the name is zero code form. So here you can see Angular November, Angular Ionic 4, Angular with Bootstrap. So it's a template, right? So if we are doing project in Angular Ionic, so you can go with this template. If you are using Bootstrap for your designing framework, you should use Bootstrap. If you are using any custom designing framework, like you develop your own CSS and something, so you can use that Angular Nov framework here. So yeah, let's get started for that. I'm going to click on the Angular Now framework. Here you can see the form, fields, and button tabs. Here you can see app component.html, app component.ts. So let's understand these three tabs. The form tab is used for properties of the form, like login form, what's form group name we are defining here, right, in the TS file. So it's that. And here you can define a submit event of a form like ng submit. So whatever click event you have to like click event of the form submit, you can define here. Here you can see the field in the then it's like a one control like email, password, first name, last name. So it's a field, and in the terms of reactive form, it's a form control. Here you can see the button. It's like a resubmit, reset, and uh, simple button if you want to put like cancel button or something. So uh, here you can see the login form. It's a form group name, right? So I'm going to change that to like a registration form, a register form. You can see the live updates here. You can see the live update in TS as well. So first we start with very basic form. It's a login form. So here you can see fields. In the field you need to add controls whatever you want. So one field control is automatically get added. So here I want email for that, and you can see the list of control as well, like checkbox, review button, colors, date, time, input array, input object. So for input and object, we will cover those in next video because it's a bit complicated for reactive form. So first start with the introductory video. So first we start with email and password. So I choose the input type email, label. I have to give uh, email address. Here you have to give the form control name. I'm giving to email. You can see the validation section. So you can make it required. You can make email validation. You can define a pattern if you want custom pattern for that. So that's it for email. Let's You can close that input so you can get more space to control your controls. So another field I'm going to add is a password. So here you can see uh, label is password, form control name is a password, validation I have to give required, minimum length it can be a 6 and maximum can be a 30 length. So that's it. And here you can see the form, complete form is there, form and div, email address, validation section, everything is there. App component.ts you can see here, right? So now go to the stake please. I'm copying that HTML, and I have that project already created, so I'm using that. So I'm going to I'm deleting that app component.html, and now I'm copying that app component.ts file. You can see the copy button here as well, so you can copy paste easily. And app component.ts, yeah, I'm going to replace that. Yeah, so it's a compiling, so just wait for a few seconds, might be. Yeah, it's running from the case, right? So it's happening. So control A, control X, get 7. Yeah, so now you can see this. Yeah, email and password. We use our no design framework, so you can see the basic style there. Div tag is there. I'm typing email. Paresh. Once you are out, that you can get your uh, email format is not well, and minimum length you can see the 6 and actually is 3. So you can define your custom message later on after copying that code from the zero code form. So yeah, so you can get your form with zero code form with no code required. You just select your form, select your input, define your validations, define your buttons, define a click event. So hope you like that tool which I created, right? So yeah, also I like to get your comment on this, your any suggestions, any bug report, whatever you feel it, you can put it on the comment. And yeah, thanks for watching.